From education to health benefits, citizens receive vital services from federal, state, and local governments. To improve efficiency and citizen engagement, many public sector organizations are turning to platform engineering. The platform provides development policies and workflows that make new applications and services available faster and with better security. With F5 solutions, platform engineering can enhance the security and reliability of the AWS applications and services citizens depend upon. Modernize public sector infrastructure by using F5 BIG-IP to migrate systems to AWS for increased security and scalability and reduced cost and complexity. Improve the citizen experience by using F5 NGINX to integrate public sector AWS environments to help reduce paperwork for faster, automated processes. And safeguard citizen data with security, telemetry, and compliance controls with F5 Distributed Cloud App Infrastructure Protection for AWS applications and services. Deliver secure and reliable services to citizens with F5 and AWS. Visit f5.com to learn more.